Even if you don't have your own camera, no experience, or no competence, you can make as much money as you want for as many times as you want. All you have to do is click on these photos and then the download button, and you'll be paid instantly through this website, which is available all around the world. Yes, you, the one who is presently watching, can do it and make money from home. This is a terrific way to make money because you won't have to report to anyone, and you'll be able to work whenever and wherever you want. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. Let's jump right into the first website that I'm going to show you, which is Crello.com. This is a designer website, as you can see from the front page. In order to construct an Instagram post, an Instagram story, or anything else, you can come here and use the thousands of templates that this site has to offer. So yes, it's mostly a design website, but what if you don't have any design skills? The first thing you need to do is to get started. To be able to execute this work, I can say certainly that you do not need to be a qualified or professional designer. You'll quickly realize that you don't need any experience to perform these tasks, and that it's basic and uncomplicated. Anyone can do this and generate as promised. All you gotta do now is keep watching and follow the instructions in this guide. The first thing you should do when you arrive on this site is to sign up by clicking on the sign up symbol in the upper right corner. To add to that, this is a 100% free platform, so you don't have to put any money into it. It's worth mentioning though that they do provide a variety of pricing options. Because of the amount of money you can make using this service, you will have to pay them when the trial period expires if you want to use them in the long run. By connecting your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts, you'll be sent to this website where you may join up. You may also sign up via email, just entering your email address and password in these two boxes, then clicking the sign up button. Congrats! The procedure has just been finished. All of these templates will be visible to you. They include everything from IG stories and post themes to YouTube thumbnails and Facebook posts, and once you've logged in. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. Because this is a website for designers, as previously mentioned, there is something unique about it. You may use this site to produce YouTube thumbnails if you have even basic design skills, which can make you a lot of money. But because they require design skills to make, you may design the rest of the images, and this platform doesn't require any specific experience because, as you can see, the templates are largely done for you. Now all you have to do is adapt them to your customers' preferences. It's an easy and straightforward process to be reimbursed. The website editor looks like this. As we all know, this is without a doubt the best feature of this platform. If you can't even alter or edit them properly, or if the editor isn't up to grade, good templates are meaningless. To say the least, the background colors can be changed in the editor. So you can of course type whatever you like in terms of text and font. Let's get started, now that you've got a good concept of what Crello is. However, how will you be compensated for your efforts? Please allow me to show you the platform where you will be compensated. Ladium.org, which you can see here, is the platform in question. In case you're unfamiliar, this is a freelancing platform where people like you and me can offer our skills such as transcription, graphic design, poster design, and many other things for free. Because we will not be paying anyone, I need you to go on this site and register right now. When you click on the I'd Wanna Work Here button, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll be needed to provide your email address to continue. After that, simply click on I'm Not a Robot to finish the process. Then after that, you'll be asked to provide additional info about yourself, such as your first and surnames, as well as a username and password. After you've completed the registration procedure and input all of your info, you'll be able to sign up. This is how it will look, and you can now browse through different projects on the next page by clicking the browse icon here. All of these candidates will be visible on the left side of the screen. However, since we're here to get paid for the design, you'll want to move straight to the graphics and design category. From there, you will see people that are willing to pay a lot of money for a variety of things or services. In this case, a logo design might cost up to $30. Let's continue with this example only to demonstrate how quickly you can make one with Crello. It's as simple as returning to here and entering the term logo into the search box. Hundreds more ready-to-use logos will be now available on the marketplace. It's worth noting that in this case, a designer would normally have to start from scratch, but Crello saved the day. You already have a logo created for your company. Now all you have to do is pick one of these. Which one will you choose will be determined by your customer's requirements. All you gotta do is open the logo and change the wording to suit your taste. If you download it, then email it back to the customer online, you can make $30 to $40 for only a couple of minutes of work that isn't even hard to do. Remember that the logo design I used as an example will only make you a tiny bit of money, but don't worry, if you design more, you'll be able to make more money. You can practically make as much money as you want by repeating the process. All you have to do now is find a client who requires your services. You can now make a lot of money by just following all the methods I mentioned previously. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below and we'll see you again next time.